cannons, fire cannons, 38. So let's turn this up. Meet Scott. Scott has this caused an infection in the tonsils? To avoid complications, we must operate and remove the tonsils. Okay, doctor, let's get the patient to the operating room. It should be one of the 3 rooms. I know it's totally down for. Okay. So where put that? It's right there. Great work, doctor. You must select the breathing tube from the table. Right there. That's where they breathe? Man, I'm putting it right there. What am I supposed to do? I'm putting it up his nose. How's he going over there? Oh, okay. Please select the rectangle on the table. Okay. Ew, what are those? Gosh, this game's horrible. Should not download this game. Select the 4 steps from the table. What is that? I know because they say the names. Now select the. What the heck is that? Okay. Okay, I know what's this. Does this? Oh, I know what this does. This. I knew I was gonna do that. Wait, they have health? What? They have what? I'm gonna lose this game. Okay, what the heck are those things? Are those big giant balls with like nuts and like peanuts? Okay, I'm not gonna say that. That's not weird. Man, this is just the most messed up game I ever saw. Okay, that cuts. Ew, my God. Oh, I just hate my life. A few veins are begin to bleed. This is nothing to worry about. Just use the cauterizer to. Oh my God, I suck at razor. These, please, please. Please select them from the table. The blah. Am I supposed to burn that one? Come on. Get creepy ass. Huh. So, okay, do I cut this? Oh yeah, I do the same thing all over. Did it like start to die when it's like in 2? Or I mean, like, does the thing change colors like when I pick a wrong one? I don't know. I just saw this in a video of Jacksepticeye playing this. I think he was playing this, or somebody was else. I don't know. This must be like a cut. Oh god. Okay, just only need one more thing. Just okay, that thing better not go back. Okay. Oh, hurry up, you little people. What? Does it burn? Like, do they feel every pain that they? Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, they can nap. And also like the water spray. Do they put water in here? Oh my gosh. Okay, if I ever go here and I think I'm gonna feel like I'm drowning. Jeez, look how much water they put! God, jeez, these people are trying to kill this kid. Now we must select the surgical section from the table. Is that straw? Are these, oh god. Wait, god. Okay, this never finished. If we do it, I get toy. I think he's done. Ibuprofen. Thanks, Doc. My name ain't Doc. Discharge. I made one mistake. Jeez, time. Oh. So see ya. Okay, see ya in the next videos. I don't know what's the mode, but see ya in the next videos and bye.